5 common mistakes with the in English. Today, we'll fix the most common mistakes ESL learners make with the word the. Example 1, adding the when it's not needed. I love the pizza. I love pizza. Remember, don't use the when speaking about a random pizza. Example 2, forgetting the with specific nouns. Did you lock door? Did you lock the door? Don't forget to use the when you mean something specific, like a door we both know about. Example 3, using the incorrectly with plural or uncountable nouns. I like the cats. I like cats. We don't use the when talking about things in general, even if it's plural or uncountable. Example 4, adding the before possessives. I went to my school. I went to my school. Never use the before possessive words like my, your, or his. Example 5, not using the with superlatives. She is smartest student in the class. She is the smartest student in the class. Superlatives like best, biggest, and smartest always need the best, the biggest, the smartest. Fix these mistakes and speak English more naturally. Remember these rules and you'll avoid the most common mistakes with the in English. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.